brush twice a day. Don't waste water. Throw trash in bin. Read books, poems, stories, and jokes. Save nature. Grow plants, don't cut trees. Eat healthy food like egg. Egg gives you protein. Sleep on time at night. Do exercise every morning. Wash your hands before and after eating food. Help others. Being responsible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I hope you like this video. See you in next video. Bye bye.